what should you do if your friends or family receive an email from you that you didn't send? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy with the 5 steps you should take if your email address has been hacked. First, change your email password immediately. Then, you want to turn on two-factor authentication, which requires a backup confirmation from you to log in so that others hopefully can't get into your account. Next, you want to alert your friends and family that your email account has been compromised and they should not click any of the links they receive from you until they hear from you again. Then, you want to turn on any antivirus programs so that your email doesn't get hacked again. I've rated my top antivirus software for the year at lockupyourtech.com. Lastly, you're going to want to secure your email. Head over to cyberguy.com/mail to view my top-rated private and secure email providers that we've all gone through and we've scoped them all out and we found the best ones for you over at my website. For those plus more on what to do if your email gets hacked, head over to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.